Watch the bears here. There's a couple bears.
Ooh, somebody farted over here.
No, it's fireworks.
That's what they say.
Do not stand in my pit. This is my pit. Oh, that okay.
You're gonna want to bet
Isn't that
the
what
light
the for? They're
guarantee
supposed to go in the snow.
This thing will guarantee light.
Whoa!
So funny. If you crash, I would laugh so hard.
You kind of wanted him to crash.
I kind of wanted him to crash.
Was he doing that on purpose?
Yes.
All right, you guys ready?
Why? Wouldn't he have like
Kurt, I
died?
should have peed on there.
You're gonna have to run from the cops.
Mom, you're gonna.
I'll leave the kids behind.
Okay, you're so nice. You're such a mom. I'm so excited. 3, 2, 1, go!
Get out! Get out!
Get out!
That was awesome!